parte ba ito ng buhay niyo ng direct?
Ay, hindi po. Nagulat ako. Hindi po.
Nagbabagang balita!
Hindi po. Naloko ako. Hindi po. Mas nung college years, as a college student, yung feel ng college, yung parang autobiographical.
Direct, bakit na-identify ka ng millennials na wasakan daw ang mga tulad-tulad? Yun ang term nila. Di ka nagugulat sa term nila?
Siguro nagkataon lang po na parang, hindi ko alam. Feeling ko madrama talaga ako as a person. Even kahit hindi ako director. So, when I write, kunyari nagbablog ako, even in college, mas gusto kong masakit kaysa masaya. So, feeling ko na nalalagay ko siya sa mga stories na sinusulat ko.
Yung relationship ba nitong dalawa, direct, wasakan o magaan o anong kategory ng dalawa?
Happy. Happy. Tapos, yung merong asaran, laging parang lagi under dito si Ken eh.
Kailangan.
Parang, pero masaya yung dynamics nila eh. Masaya yung dynamics nila. Kasi si Hobie, hindi siya nagpapatalo. So, kaya natutuwa ako sa kanilang dalawa na hindi natatapos. Pero pag nag-action na, action na.
Itong mga bida mo, parehong reluctant artist. Ikaw, direct reluctant pa rin ba? Or...
Reluctant director?
Oo.
No po. Since when I was in college, that was my dream, to be a director. So when I graduated, I made it a point na all paths would lead to me making my first film. So,
thank you po.
Thank you, Sir Dindo. Sir Alan?
Alan, Stars Photography. Tanong ka lang kay Direct, how part yung life mo, yung college, yung part ng naging buhay ni Liza dito? Merong bang kinuha ka din? Part of your college life?
Yung milieu po ng UP, like pagtambay sa bench, pagkain ng isaw, pag AS lobby, AS steps, pagrenta ng computer para sa internet, yun yung kinuha ko in general. Yan.
Tapos you work with different love teams, di ba? Not comparing naman, pero how do you describe these two artists na bago mong, sabi mo dream come true to work with them, di ba?
Si Hobie and Ken, hindi nila alam, but they're smart actors. Parang nung nasa workshop pa lang, nung sinabi ko sa kanila na they're smart actors, parang, ha? Smart actors? Hindi nila alam na magaling silang artista. And yun yung maganda sa kanila na kaya nagiging maganda yung dynamic sa set. Kasi hindi nila alam na may mabibigay sila dun sa eksena. So kaya nagugulat din sila na kapag sinabi kong good take, that's a beautiful take. Direct, lalo si Ken, direct sure ka kasi parang hindi parang, yun. Kaya na-amaze ako sa kanila na kahit Liza and Enrique na sila, they still know na, hindi nila dinadala sa utak nila na sila si Liza at si Enrique.
Please, Ken, kanina para kasi nung tinanong ni Chicanes, yung ginagawa nyo alone and together. Ngayon, yung tanong ko, alone, kasi 6 years kayo mag-asama, di ba? Ano yung gusto nyong gawin na alone kayo? Yung gusto nyo pang gawin na alone kayo, gusto nyo gawin na together kayo, na hindi nyo pa nagagawa? First yung alone.
Alone? I want to try traveling alone. I don't know why, pero parang pinag-uusapan naman yung friends ko before when we were graduating from high school na parang dream namin, parang eat, pray, love, to travel alone, discover new things, explore, parang ganon. Together, mag-travel din. Gusto kong, we want to go to South America, Africa, Antarctica, lahat.
Ken?
I wanna do together, travel. That's one thing. I don't think I can travel alone. Hindi ko, kaya parang kailangan ko may kasama. But it's not me to, go alone and venture out alone. Parang mas masaya ka sa akin kapag mas may kasama ka or mas parang mas meaningful yung trip. The memories. Doing alone? Mag-CR. Joke lang. Hindi ko alam, man. Do alone. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo pa nagagawa. So, lagi ko
joke lang.
nagsa-CR may
Joke
kasama.
nga lang. Ikaw, hinuhuli mo talaga ako, ha?
Si Kuya Jerome ba daw?
Anong
Totoo nga sabi ni
joke
Director, dito nagpapatalo si Liza eh.
Tanong ko kasi parang ang
wala akong maisip doon,
ang cute
sorry.
yung dalawang mag-away, di ba? Ano yung mga maliliit na bagay na pinag-aawayan niyo?
Lahat.
Ginagawa mo ko masama.
Hindi, joke lang.
Pinagtatalunan niyo, pinagtatampuhan niyo na maliit na bagay pero parang
Normal naman po talaga yun. I think normal lang yun eh. Kasi pag hindi kayo tatalunan, parang nakakatakot na yun.
ano nga daw sabi
Ano
niya?
nga?
Hindi ko alam din eh. Ano ba? Bakit ka ba nagagalit? Yeah, ganito. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Yung pag ginaganon mo yung kilikili ko, ayoko.
Oo. Alam ko si Basa.
Sundutin yung kilikili ko pagbasa. Siyempre, nakakailang.
Nagbubuisit siya. Just stop it nga.
Para naman may
Nahihiya siya.
BO, di ba? Hindi, I
Cute
use
lang kasi
Rexona,
nung
kaya
nagagalit
walang-
siya. Wow! Naipasok din! Yun. Ha?
Ano pang ang ayaw mo? Ano pang pinag-aawayan natin?
Kasi yung mga maliliit na bagay.
Nagagalit siya pag umiinom ako pag kumakain ako ng maanghang.
Oo. Kasi minsan matigas ulo, kumakain siya ng hindi pwede. Kasi kaka-acid na naman. So, sa mamaya, ang sakit ang tiyan ko. Ano gagawin ko? So, yun, mga ganun na. Tsaka syempre, you don't wanna see her in pain, di ba? So, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
That's fine.
you. We're down to our last two.
Hello, I'm David from Adobers, Fandom Diaries. Hello.
Sabi ko sa ba? Adobers?
Adobers.
Sorry din.
Question ko, first question ko, yung tinanong ko yung about fan theories, yung sinabi niyo yung pinakamalapit ata, yung sa Polarium or something like that. Parang yun ang hint sa ending, parang yung part na ito yung inulit-ulit mo pa. Yung sa fan theories na.
Ano nga na dyan? Nakalimutan mo na.
Yung,
Spoiler
basta yun.
Ano yung sinabi nila dun sa theory na yan? Ulit?
Yung last, yung number
Sorry.
4 na binasa natin.
Oo nga. Kasi ang daming stories yun eh. Ano yung sa...
It's kind of
Second to
profound
the
eh, pero it's like, it's a story about yung tao sa painting, tapos,
Ako yung... Gladiator ba yun?
yeah, that one. So ang question ko doon, and in relation sa reveal ni Direk na this movie is more than just a love story. It's something, parang I think it's more like something connected to an advocacy or doing something with your dreams or finding something. So are you able to say what that, or bawal pa ba sabihin yung parang clincher na yan? Or can you give more hints about ano yan? Yung sa theory mo?
Theory? Huh. How to put it in words? Like, what I think about the theory or what about
What's
the
the
story?
truth? Kasi di ba,
The
it's
truth.
Black Sheep film to. So syempre, although all of you are great,
Yes.
for actors and everything, but there's something unique about this film.
Mm.
And there's some secret that you're not yet seeing. Pero since it's already so close to the premiere, maybe you can shed some light lang to that, yung sa theory na yan, sa Gladiator.
Well, sasabihin ko, gladiator nga siya dahil grabing armor sa puso ni Raph. May daming armor sa puso ni Raph. Hindi nga gladiator, parang martyr ata eh. Yung dating, but great love eh. So, handa talaga siya masaktan. I think, doon lang yung resemblance ni Raph sa gladiator. At gagawin niya lahat para sa great love niya. I think siya lang yung holding on. Holding on lagi si Raph.
Direct yung sa UP naman, anong setting yan? Anong year? Ito ba yung time na mahaba pa yung pila or automated na yung yung
Automated na. Sa CRS na. Tapos, nag-start siya year 2010. Nag-end siya ng 2012, 2013. Yung college years ni Christine. Kasi si Raph, gusto niya nag-aaral. Ayaw niyang graduate. Yeah.
And what is the pinaka thing na that's different from this film from your other films? Na in terms of yung sinasabi mong yung being an idealist and before bago niya.
I think it's a love story, pero it really is more than just that. It really is more than just a boy meets girl love story. It tackles more than just romantic love. It tackles different kinds of love na na-experience ng isang disillusioned person in the workforce.
My last question for Liza. I think the story also has something to do with going back to you're supposed to go back to UP or something, or go back to the past with him and try to probably resolve some memories before or pain, whatever. Can you tell me more about that experience? Yung going back to the past, in the past relationship na before, the story as the character.
How was the experience? How do I say this without... Parang, whenever we were shooting scenes that were taken in the present time na we were reliving our past, our youth, I always felt the most emotional for some reason. Probably because I just think that it's sad that she has to relive her past to remember who she is. Yun. I don't know what else I can say without spoiling too much.
Thank you and congrats.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Now, before we go to our last question, kasi guys, di ba, Black Sheep is relatively new. Ito pa lang yung 4th movie ng Black Sheep. So, before you accepted the project, ano yung tingin niyo sa Black Sheep noon? What made you say yes to Black Sheep? Kahit na bago pa lang siyang film arm ng Star.
I just thought that, they would make, yun nga yung naririnig ko lang parang, uy, Black Sheep, medyo wasakan nga, sinasabi ng lahat. Well, when I originally